Now silent, and I will explain about driver license, renew driver license. Genera Mall, Gendra Grand Mall. Good afternoon, LTO third floor?
Third floor.
Okay. So we now in the third floor. So I already done examination and already released my new driver license. Free parking, but so few space. In a Nassau right now, already lying. We already with Shira. Shira wake up. Shira long time sleep always. That's why today it should not go to the... What need to say, Shira? Hi everyone, I am in Angeles right now and I will go to LTO office. LTO office now in General Mall Angeles. They move to General Mall because renovation in the main office. And I will show to you now way and how to renew driver license in the Philippines. Now we're in the center of Angeles City. Always busy weekend, but now Thursday afternoon. Not so many people in the street now. Many people working right now. Oh, I go to another way, because this way already you know, through the market. This is people market. Oh, repair MacBook, iPhone, Samsung. Woman dormitories. Angeles Philippine school. A Chinese school. Yeah, Chinese school. Empty, don't have people. Now silent, and I will explain about driver license, renew driver license. It's easy, just only need pay online about 600 peso, and also need to renew, need to medical examination 500 peso, and need online test. Online test you can do in the web page LTO portal. I will show screenshot and you can see. If you have already 5 years driver license, you can renew for 10 years if you don't have violations. But I have one violation from Manila. That's why I will renew. They give me only 5 years driver license until 2030, I think.
What you bro looking for? Yeah.
Hi.
What's your name?
It's shopping mart. So you can see this is Genera Mall. Third floor have LTO right now. Third floor. Genera Grand Mall. Sunny day, but for me it's good. For me not hot. Now 36 degree Celsius, 36. It's good. Oh, BID electric car. Electric car not popular in the Philippines. So this is the entrance of Genera Mall, Genera Grand Mall. Good afternoon, LTO third floor?
Third floor.
Okay, thank you. So we're going to LTO right now. Oh, so noisy music. So this is first floor. Okay, going up. So many shops. $65 only. Fun Nation for children. So many. Not so many people. Okay, going up again. So we're now in the third floor and temporary LTO office here. I will show to you now. You can see many people waiting. And I will show also where you can make a medical examination. Okay, later. First I will go to LTO and for exam and for release my driver license. So I already done examination and already released my new driver license. They give me for 5 years driver license. I will explain why. Because before, 4 years ago, I drive to Manila and new Skyway. But have sign not allowed if you don't have a card and Skyway card. But I use NLEX card. I think NLEX card is the same Skyway, but now already same. And they take my driver license. I pay fine 2,000 peso. That's why I have violation. And now I take driver license only for 5 years, not for 10 years. But if I don't have violation, of course I can take a driver license now, renew driver license for 10 years. But it's okay for me. Again after 5 years I come back again. So now I will show to you where I can take a medical examination. Also have driving school near this place. Insurance and medical. In same have driving school. This is accredited with LTO. You see. Here have 650. So you already know. Have medical examination 650 peso. I pay 500 in another place, but here near LTO, not need to go so far. Okay, we go down. This is way to Nepa Mall. If you want to go to Nepa Mall, this is way to Nepa Mall. Dunkin. Hungry Pita. How much? Shawarma 75 peso. Large 75, regular 60. Okay. Oh, outside good fresh air. So we're going to Nepa Mall. Maybe in Nepa Mall I will eat. This is entrance to the parking. Full parking. But yesterday I parked here. It's free. Free parking. But so few space.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, I'll another side. Use umbrella. In the Philippines need umbrella. Even sun or rain. It's street foods here. Siamai 65 peso. You see this is also good. Drinks 45 peso. Buka. So different kind of drinks. So we go inside. Good afternoon. So this is Nepa Mall. Oh, in Nassau. Oh, I think I will eat in Nassau right now. So many tables available. Yeah, okay. In Nassau I will eat. You see, you have in Nassau is with drink 157 peso. I order PM2 and this is big chicken, rice, sauce, gulaman, it's free water, and I pay 182 peso only. 182 peso. Usually I order PM1 is smaller chicken leg, but don't have, not available, don't have now. Because so many people here. You see. This is time now 2 p.m. and this time many people eat. That's why not available PM1 small chicken leg. But it's okay for me. I can eat this. In Anasal right now already lion. I walk little bit inside Napa Mall. Greenwich also. Greenwich Choking also. Greenwich Choking in Nassau. Jollibee. And Robinson supermarket. Souvenirs also. It's good time for buy. Not many people today. This time not so many people. Donuts. So I will go to Mabalacat now. Shaira maybe already wake up. Sometimes she sleep all day. I don't know why. Maybe busy, maybe not. Maybe nighttime something do it. So now maybe if she already wake up, maybe we go together somewhere. We already with Shaira. Shaira wake up. Shaira long time sleep always. That's why today she not go to the. What need to say, Shaira?
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Thursday.
It's already, I already say Thursday. No, she wake up right now. She be in the Sam Clark right now. Go to eat. So, Shaira, where you want it? Food court. Thai foods?
Japanese food there.
Have Japanese in food court?
Then iced coffee.
And iced coffee one. Okay, let's go. Time now already 6 p.m. SM. Always line here. Shaira, what is this? Coffee? Coco? Milk tea. Milk tea always line. Milk tea. Philippine people like milk tea. Oh, Japanese restaurant is so many people. Yeah, so many. We not go to Japanese restaurant. We will go to food court. Not cold for you, Shaira? Not cold? Food court already, you see. They put more tables. They update tables. You see, Shaira, new tables put. No, not comfortable seat in the up. I don't know. I don't like. Need to find tables. I don't know. Ask. Good. We have table now. Oh, so noisy, I don't know. Later we will walk and check what is this. Okay, Shaira, what do you order? Thai food or Japanese? It's Thai food. Good. No shrimp you don't like, I will eat shrimp. Okay, I will take video. What I want to know what happened. What is the event? I will take video.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, or please join me in welcoming us.